Hi you guys, my name is Marinelli, hope you're doing well. Hola mi gente, mi nombre es Marinelli, espero que estén bien. Right now I'm going to school, voy para la escuela, no sé cómo tarde, como que temprano, a tiempo, vamos a decir. Definitivamente, I'm like kind of late or early. Fuck. Okay. It's raining too, so I have to go in the rain. Está lloviendo también. So vamos a ver. Nos vemos. ¿Cómo estás? No, stop. So we're here in school. I will take the gym first period. Whatever. Ahora vamos para el gym temprano.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yeah, dude, we're focusing. We're trying to do this college essay thingy, like practicing, choosing like chapter traits and then writing about it, brainstorming. It's stressful. Although Leo got it, like she's focusing. We got this, right? Yeah, we got this.
The lettuce. My lettuce.
It's so green. It is green. Tell us what you got here.
Cucumbers.
Yeah, cucumber, yeah.
To be fair, we share the cucumber.
Yeah, they share the cucumber. That is a lot. So yeah, just having fun inside, guys. Yeah, I don't know what to do.
I'm very bored.
Very bored. Yeah. Just chilling.
We should watch Big Time Rush.
Sí, we're gonna watch Big Time Rush. Aquí tranquilos. A ver, Big Time Rush. ¿Sabes? I'm excited. Yeah, we play after school, guys. Also, what are we playing? Because I generally don't know.
Jackbox.
Jackbox.
I have never played it either.
I know, right? If you guys have played Jackbox, do you guys know what we're talking about? This is my first time playing it also.
Leo has played it.
You have experience with Jackbox? You would like to play?
Yes, I have watched it countless times on my phone. I gotta have my glasses.
But, okay, I'm sorry. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. So yeah, we're just after school. Have fun.
Of course, me pretending to walk in lol.
Por supuesto yo fingiendo entrar jajaja.
Gente, you guys. So, I'm from school, of course. And I'm going to change right now. Okay, I'm gonna do homework, but I'm gonna change because I'm getting ready since we're gonna buy a gift to my sister's friend, which is like a family friend now. So yeah, it's like a second sister. So yeah, we're gonna go back or something. So I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and stuff like that. It's not gonna be a big deal, but it's whatever. I'm gonna show you guys and then I'm gonna be doing some homework afterwards, after eating and stuff like that. So yeah. Mi gente, llegué de la escuela, creo que sí. Me voy a cambiar, voy a prepararme para salir, a comprar el regalo a mi amiga, la amiga de mi hermana, que es como familia, como una hermana. Y me voy a preparar primero para hacer mi tarea y esas cosas. Entonces para después salir a comprar el regalo y a visitarla. I'm also gonna go visit her. You guys are gonna love it because I'm gonna vlog it y lo voy a bloquear. Así que stay tuned, sigan viendo. So yeah guys, this is my outfit. This is my outfit. Out of the mundo, nothing out of the world. Nothing extraordinary. It's just to go by. It's like very simple. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna leave my hair like this. It looks okay. What do you guys think? Yeah.
To the mall we go.
Okay, so we had third.
Cuando vaya comiendo todavía.
We're not out of here now. Aquí como la birthday for the girl. No, en español también puedo decir. Por el cumpleaños de la chica, ¿tú sabes? Liz. Hola. No, nos acompañó.
Haciendo la diligencia para Liz.
I see that.
2 days later.
Fue bien. Ahora enseña el otro regalo. Show the other guy. Ahí hay un anillo. There's a reading here. There's a Apple Watch in here. We're gonna surprise her. No sorprenderla. Ring and earring. Happy birthday babies you're drawing. Miren a las niñas jugando.
Guys, I have to surprise her. Here's the thingy. They're right here. We're just waiting. I have to fix it though.
Before I keep going, I have to apologize for the background noise because there were kids literally behind us. So, perdón por el escándalo de atrás, que había niños literalmente al lado de nosotros.
Happy birthday to you. Oh my god, is she gonna like it? She gonna like it.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Está tuyo. Ay, thank you.
Oye, tiene que medirte el anillo primero.
Eso fue medida mía.
Ay, no puedo estar despeinada. No puedo creer. Espérate. 3 días para beberlo. Como anillo al dedo. Qué linda. Pero falta. Mis uñas no gustaban, ya. Y mi aretes.
My goodness.
Me encantó.
Es de nosotras. De verdad. Your birthday.
Mira lo que tenemos garantía de un mes.
No, pero yo no lo puedo creer, señora. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, No puedo creer, señora.
Oh, thank you.
Gracias, chicos. No, yo
Finally happened. Oh, ay, claro. Dice que llore, que llore. You're welcome. Her first Applebees. That's you on the video. Yeah, thank you.
Of course, it's like some nails.
Yeah, thank you. Ustedes saben, mi gente, ella esperaba eso y hace mucho tiempo.
Yo lo voy a poner ya.
How you feel, bro?
Sorry?
How you feel?
Very good.
Oh,
Antes de que te lo
excuse me?
How you feel?
How you feel, Liz?
I feel blessed. I feel everything. Tengo muchos emotions.
You feel so good?
Oh,
I feel so. ¿Cómo que dices? I feel so good.
no, she's leaving.
Thank you so again for everything. For la comida, everything.
Oh, no, you no pongas el libro. Mi gente, nos vamos a dormir ya, está tardísimo, son las 1. You guys are going to sleep right now, it's like 1. Today was an awesome day, fue un día bien lindo. Quedó bien. Gracias por este video, thank you for watching, see you next video, thank you.